I'm excited to present our work on principles for sharing personal informatics data on ephemeral social media. Apps with personal informatics features allow people to track their habits, such as their music listening and their physical activity, supporting sharing track data to social media sites for people to celebrate their accomplishments or communicate aspects of their identity. While some posts are well received, in practice, people are often concerned that their activities and accomplishments are too trivial to share. More often, sharing audiences are reluctant to engage with posts, and people therefore do not receive the response they desired. Ephemeral social platforms like Snapchat and story features in Instagram and Facebook are often used to share more mundane life events, potentially addressing sharer concerns about the triviality of their posts. These platforms currently support adding experiential data like location, weather, and time as stickers to add context to posts, but they tend not to support sharing self-track data. In this work, we therefore explore how ephemeral platforms can support sharing of personal informatics data through stickers. We first conducted open-ended design activities to create stickers as a research team, identifying parameters on which the stickers varied. We then evaluated these stickers through 3 online surveys with people who use ephemeral social media, asking them to imagine sharing or receiving these stickers. I'll briefly describe a few of the parameters of stickers that we designed and the results of one of our surveys, but the full paper has further designs and results. Starting with the design activities, we iteratively sketched and refined designs on paper across a variety of self-tracking domains, including music, time, food, and physical activity. We created 3 types of stickers in total. Badge stickers, which annotated objects with specific tracked values, drawing on their use in commercial and research applications. Embellished stickers, building on the notion of chart junk from information visualization, where visualizations are intentionally made more complex to draw attention and increase memorability. And analogy stickers, which re-express tracked values as better known quantities to facilitate comparisons and make measurements more understandable. The versions shown here all use iconography and comparisons that are relevant to the domain, like a foot icon for showing steps or comparing calorie counts to a cookie. Other stickers we created were irrelevant to the domain, leveraging shapes commonly associated with celebrations, measurements, or comparisons, like stars, speeds, or weights. We then ran a mixed method survey to evaluate how people perceived each sticker type, asking them to rate and give feedback on a random set of stickers which varied by these parameters. Overall, participants found analogy stickers more informative than either badge or embellished stickers, feeling that analogies were more effective at helping them contextualize amounts. For example, one participant looked at a sticker describing steps and felt, this information in the sticker is really interesting. It really puts that distance into perspective. Conversely, participants felt that the celebratory nature of badges and the way that embellished stickers highlighted progress made them better for showing accomplishments. One participant said, the sticker itself is honestly very motivating because of the way that it displays progress. Participants generally preferred stickers which were domain relevant, finding them more entertaining and feeling like they would be more likely to use them in practice. However, some found the random nature of domain irrelevant stickers playful. When considering an irrelevant analogy sticker, one participant said, this is a funny and rather amusing snap. The fact that it uses such an absurd comparison is appealing to me. But more often, participants found the irrelevance hard to relate to. One participant described an irrelevant embellished sticker by saying, I don't really like this sticker. It's a temperature gauge which has nothing to do with my progress. Regardless of format, participants appreciated sending or receiving posts which included stickers, finding them more entertaining and informative. When reflecting on posts without stickers, participants frequently commented that this seems very boring now without the sticker. Taken together, these findings suggest that sharing on ephemeral social platforms can potentially ameliorate some of the challenges people face when sharing personal informatics data, adding information and opportunity for engagement. To support people's diverse goals, platforms should likely support a combination of these sticker types. We found that people prefer different styles of stickers based on what they want to highlight when they choose to share. In future work, there's opportunity to support exploring how to create stickers. People often want to personalize the content that they share to make sure that it accurately reflects their experiences, but any configuration needs to be quickly achievable to not impede sharing. Thanks.